96W5 to Sandmore. DLR 90 with DLR 12 to Beckton from Canton. Jubilee line 96069 to Wilson Green. No notes on minute, and this transfer came and went. Yeah. And going the opposite way is Jubilee line. Yeah, this is the number. Jubilee line 96042 Trafford. That was the allowed to win Arsenal. It is Jubilee line to Wilson Green. Yeah, by the train that left, the DLR above that left before was to Beckton, and the DLR that left the other way was Stratford International. Yeah, that was actually quite well. Anyway. And above me is the DLR to Beckton. In 96097 to Wilson Green from Stratford. Just from the far distance to me here is yeah, the train here now is due line to Sandmore, and there's one that's apparently going to Westhampton. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Often now, yeah, I haven't seen a Jubilee line train go to Westhampton before, so. Anyway. This is 492 Stanmore, and damn, that train is busy, bro. Look how busy that train is. But anyways, it's all shower, so what can I do? What can we do? DLR 63 with DLR 69 to Beckton. Pretty funny because that's the one I took to that's the DLR that I took. Not this one, not this exact one here, but that's the DLR that I took here. Which is a short journey. Beckton to Canning Town. That's short, like. Anyway, it is what it is. And the other one is the DLR to this one to Woolwich Arsenal. I didn't know, yeah. I can't lie. I probably had no idea that this. I'm not gonna lie, if I'd known, yeah, I would have just taken this train. All those left this platform and taking this train, but. In comes to Jubilee. DLR 46 with DLR 76 to Woolwich Arsenal by London City Airport.